When you need obstruction lighting, look to the industry experts. Since 1970, Flash Technology has supplied the airport, utility, telecom, and wind markets with hundreds of thousands of systems throughout the world. As a market leader, Flash Technology has been first with multiple products and ideas, and we're compliance experts in regards to FAA guidelines and regulations. Our engineering, sales, customer support, and manufacturing are all in one Nashville, Tennessee facility, as is our industry-leading National Operations Center that provides around-the-clock automated monitoring. We manufacture and test in an ISO-certified facility with a focus on enhanced quality, lean practices, and rigorous testing. Customer support is further enhanced by our being a part of the SPX Corporation, a multi-billion-dollar company with facilities worldwide. With a strong past and a promising future, Flash Technology will always be there to serve your lighting and monitoring needs. To find out more, go to flashtechnology.com.